are resources. Main points. First, resources and types of natural resources. Second, conservation of natural resources. Resources. All the things that we use to satisfy our needs are called resources. All things that are provided to us by the nature to fulfill our needs are called natural resources. For example, air, water, soil, plants, animals, fossil fuels, sunlight, etc. are all natural resources. People use some of these resources to make things of utility like roads, bridges, houses, electricity, and etc. These are man-made resources. Types of natural resources. Natural resources are of two types: renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are always available in the nature as these keep renewing easily. For example, air, water, sunlight, soil, plants, and animals are renewable resources. They do not end. Air. All living things need air to live. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Humans and animals need oxygen to breathe, and plants need carbon dioxide to make food for them. Wind. When air is moving, it is called wind. Wind is used to produce electricity through windmills. Windmills are big fans which keep moving by wind and produce wind power. These windmills are established in a big area called wind farm. These windmills are used for pumping water and grinding the grains. Water. Water is also an important natural resource. We need water to drink, clean, and wash. Plants and animals also need water to live. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but only 3% of it is drinkable water, which is found in rivers, lakes, and underground. Water is used to produce electricity called hydroelectricity. Big dams are made to store water of rivers, which is then used to produce electricity. Some big hydroelectric projects in India are the Bhakra Dam in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam in Andhra Pradesh, and Idukki Dam in Kerala. Solar energy. We get sunlight to produce solar energy. It is an important, clean, and cheap source of energy. So, it is also called environment-friendly source of energy. It is harnessed with the help of solar panels to produce electricity. Solar energy can be used to get light, cook food, and heat water. Soil, plants, and animals. Soil is a natural resource that helps other natural resources like plants and animals to live on the earth. Plants grow on soil. Plants are used by humans and animals as their food. People do agriculture to produce food. Plants and forests are resources for humans and animals as these provide food and shelter to them. Plants give us oxygen to breathe and take in carbon dioxide to make food. In this way, plants and forests help us to live. Forests help in controlling the global warming and climate change. These also keep hold in soil and prevents its removal. Animals are also an important resource for us. These provide us food like milk, meat, and eggs. They are used as means of transport in forests and deserts. Animal skin is used for making different products. Animal helps in spreading seeds of plants at different places. Waste of plant and animals are used as manure. Dead plants and animals buried under the ground for many years produce fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Non-renewable resources. Some resources are available in nature in little quantities and these cannot be renewed easily. These resources take millions of years to form. So these are called non-renewable resources. For example, fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum and minerals such as iron, aluminium, zinc, copper, etc. are non-renewable resources. These can end if used in big quantities. Coal. Coal is black or dark brown in color, made of the remains of plants and animals buried under the earth millions of years ago. It is found in rock form. It is used for cooking, heating, and producing electricity. Coal mines are found in Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha. Petroleum. Petroleum is a black liquid made from the remains of plants and animals buried under the earth for millions of years. Deep oil wells are dug to pump out thick black crude oil. It is then sent to the refineries for refining and get different products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG, is also pumped out when crude oil is pumped out. Petrol and diesel are used in vehicles and motors and LPG is used for cooking. Oil fields in India are located in Digboi in Assam, Mumbai in Maharashtra and Ankleshwar in Gujarat. Minerals. Iron is used to make machines, tools, buildings, bridges and automobile parts. It is also used to make utensils and other things like windows, doors, etc. It is found in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Goa. Copper is used in making electrical goods and wires. It is found in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Aluminium is used to make parts of aeroplane, cars, trains and boats. It is also used to make utensils, cans and foil. It is found in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Conservation of natural resources. We have got a number of natural resources which helps us to fulfill our needs and live happily. These resources also help in keeping a balance in environment which helps sustain life on the earth. Some wrong human activities have resulted in ending some of these natural resources rapidly. This has created different problems like global warming, etc. Many plants and animal species have become extinct and some other species are near the extinction. It is the need of the time to take following steps to conserve natural resources and conserve environment. We should reduce the number of personal vehicles that run on fossil fuels. Stop deforestation and cutting of trees. Plantation of more trees. Avoid usage of plastic. Save electricity and other energy resources. Do not waste water and stop pollution. Valued fact. We should save fossil fuels to use it in future. Awesome fact. Some people leave tap water flowing and waste water. Let's learn new words. First, crude in raw stage. Second, refinery, a place where crude oil is refined. Let's remember, all things provided to us by the nature to fulfill our needs are called natural resources. Natural resources are of two types, renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Air, water, soil, sunlight, plants, animals, humans are renewable natural resources as these do not end. Coal, petroleum and minerals are non-renewable natural resources as these take millions of years to form. We should conserve our natural resources.